Hey guys, welcome to I will need a nail stuff. Alright, I would like to show you some of my wrestlers. I'll show you one. I'll show you 5 wrestlers that I just got in the packet. That I got yesterday. They're all black because my sister had sticky hands. They're so cool. Here's Christian with his little beard. Feetsies. Hair's all on. He look at his haircut. Freak. So, look at him act. Look at him. Look at those things. They're like the size of a hippo. These boobs are like the size of a hippo, kind of. What is that line for? What the heck? Look at his back. He needs to get his back rubbed so it's smooth. Mine is. Oh, heck, John Cena. John Cena is better. Did you see that? That was awesome. Alright. We got Rey Mysterio. That never talks a lot. Rey Mysterio is a high flyer. Tristan's a high flyer too. What the heck? He has the same things. They look like a hippopotamus. What the heck? Is his face a bat or something? No. Got the zipper thing. Shoes are fine. Just not boots. 619, what the heck? You don't know his movie is a 619. Who would put that on a wrestler? Wrestlers are supposed to be scary. Hey, look, he got a tattoo like that too. I don't like you. This is Kristen. Excuse me for a second. All right. We got 3 more. Here's just the ugliest ones right here. Christian wins. Alright, we got CM Punk. Guy thinks he's all that because he's a punk head. With stars. He likes stars. What the heck? He doesn't even know how to draw stars. I hate you too. RVD. Yes. Those. Frog 55. He thinks he's all that, and he could beat any person. Well, that's not the class. Well, alright, here we go. You ripped my hair off. Alright, look at his hair. His hair's all ripped off from the clothes. He got dinosaurs. Randy Orton, my best man. Yes. How do you prove that you are cool, Randy Orton? By drawing tattoos on her butt. We're done.